Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. So let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. All right, the markets are now open, watching AXON right now out of the opening gate. Have an initial buy order at 585. So we'll see if it can break down through 6 or not. That is the current plan. Let's see what else is out there. I will keep you updated. All right, have an order in at 1637 here for just 500 shares on PTCT. So let's see if we can get a move down there. In fact, I should get this alerted in the chat room real quick while I wait. There we go, been alerted here. Here will be in the chat room. Let's see though, it's getting a little stagnant right here. So I will go ahead and pause the video, and if it looks like it starts to move downward some more, I'll get it rolling again. All right, I've changed that order down to 1615. I got 200, come on. Got 267 of 500 shares, which you can see right there. So I'll just go with this for the time being. Not what I wanted, but yeah, it is what it is. So made $26 and I don't know what was that. I'm trying to type in my next order. Let's do 1605. So there we go. Made $26.70. So next order will be at 1605 if this downward move wants to continue. Partial fills, annoying, yeah, but just part of the game. So let's see if it wants to continue to move down and potentially get me filled at 1605. All right, that moved super fast. I don't think I got it though. So got shares at 1601. We'll look to build more if possible. Try to get another 500 down there at 1585. But they decided just to give me the 10 cents there. Like I said, I don't think I quite caught that on video. Maybe right when the video got rolling again, it captured the fill. So I apologize for that. But next order in at 1585. So let's see if we can get a plunge down through the $16 mark. And I will once again look to build a bigger position than 500 shares, or if it wants to give me the $50 bill, I'm not going to turn that away. So I'm kind of stalling right now to see if it wants to break down through 16. I'm a little gun shy now from a video perspective. I don't want to miss the entry point. All right, I'm going to pause it, but at least you know, like I said, 1585 is where the next order is at. So I will try my best to get it captured. All right, there was somewhat of the break. So let's see if it can get down there to 1585. I'll let it roll here a little bit. Again, am I going to make a whole boatload of money on just 500 shares on a $16 stock? No, but I would like to get more. All right, I'm sure as soon as I pause it, I'll probably get filled, but it is what it is. All right, I am going to go ahead and pause. All right, have an order to begin shorting at 735 here on AXON. Reason the chart is scrunched all the way over here is if I do that, because of the massive gap down, it just makes the proportions really shady. So this just gives me a little bit kind of better idea of what's going on. So again, 735, just want to try to kind of test the market on this one here a little bit. Actually, now I'm going to go up to 740. So let's see if it can get up there. Again, 500 shares on a sub $10 stock. Not much of a position at all. Oh, and there goes PTCT. So let's do 1537 on this one, just in case it wants to keep plunging. And I'll keep an eye on AXON. So AXON over here, where we see the chart. And then over here to the right, you see the level 2s for PTCT. So tracking a couple different things right now. So if I get filled on AXON, that'll turn green. And I don't like how that's acting right now. So let's go back to AXON though. And let me just change this to 740. 1149. So there we go. And then we can come back to PTCT and see how that continues to unfold too. So a couple different bobbers in the water. We'll see if I can get any nibbles. Well, I'll turn this into a little learning example here. You saw my order at 740 and that high up there, you guessed it, 740. Now, does that mean I would have gotten filled? I'm not saying that, but yeah, that's what I get for going against my instincts. Granted, I saw some, remember, there's more than I'm looking at than what you see on the screen here. I have other monitors and charts. So there were a couple other things that I saw that, made me kind of change away from 740. But yeah, power of charts and the power of not originally trusting your plan right there. That cost me, and now you can see the price heading down. But it is what it is. However, it makes a good little learning example there. So yeah, let's see if I can get some more trades. All right, have a couple potential entries. PTCT at 1525, but I'm currently watching BSTI at 12. So let's see if it can pull back a little bit more. Again, both of these would just be initial entry points. So it's creeping down towards 12. Got a little bit more ways to go. PCTT creeping down towards 1525. Oh wait, you can't see that. Sorry, I'm watching at another scanner that's just slightly off the screen. So never mind on that note. Okay, good. Got BSTI. We'll look to get some more if possible. Next allotment here at 1175. So let's see if I can get those. I'd like to get more than 500 shares, so we'll see what happens with it. What were we at? About 7 minutes on the video right now, give or take. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and if it looks like it's going to move down and fill me at my next entry at 1175, well, looks like that may be happening here. Close? Nope. No, still didn't get it. All right, I'm going to go down to 1170 now, the way this thing is kind of acting. So, okay, good, got those. We'll look to buy some more. Again, 1,000 shares, but very, very small position size right now. 1155. Then let's go with 1150. Actually, if I can get some at 1165, that would be great too. Okay, I got those at 1165. Looking for some at 1155. Still 1,500 shares, sub $12 stock, very, very small position within the grand scheme of things. All right, I got 50 shares down here. You can see yellow. So 50 of the 500 I wanted, I got out. So that's fantastic. More partial fills. Oh, come on. You're really just going to give me 50 shares? Seriously? All right, there we go. Got all of those. Got my 1190s. Let's see if they want to give me my 1195s. Come on. 228, 238, 500 all out. How close was I? I put those at 1155, right? Oh, an 1156. So close, but yet so far away to having another 500 shares to work with. So yeah, good trade. I'm happy with it. Wish I could have gotten more though, especially those 1155s and 1150. Again, just if you're not familiar with my screen, right up there you can see the low that it went was indeed 1156. So close but no cigar. Let's see what else I can find out there. All right, order at 1490 for initial entry point here on our friend PTCT. Actually, let's do this. Let's do 89. There we go. Uh-oh, I hear kids coming. So if you hear kids in the background, I apologize prior. Let's see if we can get the... Wow, we're at 11 minutes already? All right, well, I'll try to do one more trade. I know some of you like the longer trades. Others probably prefer a little shorter. But I guess if you don't like the long ones, you can just stop watching. And, okay. 15, as you see, the price is just pausing right here. So I'd like to at least capture the break if it happens on video so we can see how fast or slow it goes down. But, all right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, it has broken. So let's see if we can get 1489. Tried to get it, but no cigar. Okay, at this point, let's do 1285. See if we can get it down there. And I'm going to start to be a little bit more stingy on time, so I'm just going to go ahead and pause it. All right, looking like 1480's got a chance. I did move my order down to there. And again, hit 1480, but no fills. So I don't like how I'm getting jerked around here. So I'm going to go down to 1475. So let's see if that can get filled or not. I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Almost an hour into the day, up 251. I have some other things I need to move on to in the day. I really did want another day just for the cycle. I would have liked to have gotten up to $300, but oh well, it is what it is. I'm happy with the video. Couple partial fills, good example of why you gotta, sometimes just go with your gut. That cost me on the one trade, assuming of course I would have gotten filled. And then also got to see me build up with some shares, although not as many as I wanted. It is what it is, so good variety of the video, so I'm happy with that. A couple things before I go. If you enjoy these live trade videos and want me to keep making them, the very easy way to communicate that to me is just to click that like button. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I mentioned the chat room. I'm sorry if you can hear my kids in the background, but you can go to claytrader.com, look at the inner circle, and for that is $99 per year, not per month. Nothing crazy like that, just per year. And as I always say, over the course and time span of 12 months, I'm very confident you'll get at least $99 worth of value. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and use charting and technical analysis as a tool for trading, then again you can go to claytrader.com. I offer courses on that. So thank you again for watching. I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.